How to fix the WeChat application not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are facing this problem whereby your WeChat account is not working, here are some of the solutions that you can try on. To get started with, make sure you have a strong internet connection. If not, you can try switching between accounts. For the step 2, open Play Store if you are using Android. Tap on the search icon from the bottom right and on the search bar, type in WeChat. After that, if there is an update button available, make sure to tap on it. Once that is done, your issue should be fixed. However, if it is already updated, go to WeChat, long press the application and go to App Info. First thing first, you will see the option of permissions. Tap on it and make sure to give all the required permissions. For that, tap on it and click on Allow. Do the same for all other permissions required. Likewise, make sure to turn on the notification. Now go back to the previous page, click on Storage and Cache, and clear the cache and clear the data. Remember, clearing data will delete all of your values, so you'll have to log in again. And there you go. This should probably fix the issue. However, if it does not, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the application once. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.